Welcome to the Polar Products Active Ice 3.0 Cold Therapy System, Programmable Timer, and Temperature Flow Control video. This combination control's patent-pending design is only compatible with the Polar Products Active Ice Cold Therapy System. It allows the user to control all functions of the Active Ice system with ease from the palm of their hand. This combination programmable timer and flow control is a direct replacement for the standard programmable digital timer and allows you to modify the flow of the water, modifying the temperature, and giving you even more customization for your therapy. The control has 4 temperature flow settings, 4 being the coldest, down to 3, 2, and 1 being the least cold. The timer function may be set in 10-minute increments up to 990 minutes. Please follow along as we demonstrate how to use the control to operate your system. As always, please read through your instruction manual, including the cautions and warnings, before using the Active Ice 3.0 Cold Therapy System. Always follow your healthcare provider's instructions in the proper use of cold therapy, cycle times, and skin inspection. To begin, remove the plastic screen protector from the combination control and plug it into both the power supply and the cooling reservoir with your Active Ice 3.0 Cold Therapy System prepped and ready to be turned on as described in your manual. Turn the system on by pushing the control's center button. The system will immediately turn on and the LED display will show the number 4, then on, then 10. The system's default at startup is the coldest temperature setting of 4, with a cycle time of 10 minutes on and 10 minutes off. If you would like to increase the on time, press the right plus button. To decrease the on time, press the left minus button. To increase the off time, press the top plus button, and decrease the off time by pressing the bottom minus button. If you desire to have the system on for a certain number of minutes, then turn off with no cycling, set the time off to 0. The timer will cycle the system on and off per your settings until they are changed or the system is turned off. Next, set the system to regulate the water flow by pressing the center button once. This will display the default flow setting of 4. Press again to drop to setting 3. Press again to drop the setting to 2, and again to drop to the warmest setting of 1. Note, it is normal to have minimal water flow at the lowest setting of 1. One final press would turn the system off. Whatever setting you choose for your cooling session will be maintained throughout the session. And as long as the timer remains plugged in, your last on-off setting is automatically stored for new sessions. However, the temperature flow setting always reverts to the coldest setting of 4, so be sure to readjust to your desired temperature. That's it! You're now ready for cooling comfort and customized control in the palm of your hand with Polar Products Programmable Timer and Temperature Flow Control. Polar Products Active Ice systems are designed and assembled in Akron, Ohio by skilled professionals using high-quality materials. Our excellent customer service representatives are located in the same location and are ready to answer any questions you may have. We are a family-owned company, and we appreciate your support of our business.